Hey everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we got Kimball. Hey Kimball, what's that in your hand?
A basketball.
A basketball. Why do you have a basketball today?
Because we're drawing an angry, mad basketball.
An angry, mad basketball for what?
March Madness.
March Madness? We love basketball at our house, huh?
Yeah.
We love to watch basketball. And it is March Madness, and so we're gonna draw a mad basketball. Get your markers ready, and let's go, right? Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're gonna do our March Madness basketball, a mad basketball. So we're gonna start out with orange. I'm gonna use the fine tip marker here, and Kimball's gonna follow along. So we're gonna start out right here in the middle, doing a mad eye. So here we go. We'll do a up, down. Okay, and make sure to leave enough room on the side for a big giant basketball, okay? So here's the other eye. Up, down. Kind of matches that one. And these are mad eyes. Good job. Now, start from the bottom here, and we're gonna do a circle, kind of a half circle that connects. Here we go. Go down, connect. Good. Now same thing over here. Start at the top, go down, connect. That's a squeaky marker. Okay, now to help our eyes be even more mad, we're gonna kind of trace, or well, not trace, but follow this contour. So here we go. Start here and go big, down. And on the other side, go big, down. Okay. And I'm actually gonna make these, I'm gonna bring a little mark right here. Up, up, down. And that kind of gives, and a couple lines. That kind of gives some angry wrinkles. When someone has angry eyes, it wrinkles up in their nose. Good job, Kimball. All right, so now we're gonna do a big angry mouth. You guys ready? So make a dot right in the middle, and that's gonna be the center of our mouth. A little dot. So starting at the dot, we're gonna go up and down. Okay. Starting from the center, we'll go up and down. Good job. So go down and over. Go down and over. Okay. And we're gonna start here, we're gonna connect that. We're gonna go. Good job, buddy. Okay, and inside this mouth, we're gonna go down and connect it to the side. Over here too. Down. Connect it to the side of the mouth. All right, so leave that there. Now below, we're gonna draw the lip, the lower lip of this angry basketball. So, see how I just kind of follow that to the other side? Good. It just kind of follows the contour of that mouth. This is more advanced, but it'll look really cool when it's done. Okay, so now we have the face shape. We're gonna draw the chin of the basketball. So we go, there's the basketball bottom, and this thing's gonna eventually come around to the top. Good, here we go. We're gonna go all the way over, connect. So there's our basketball look. Good job. Cool. Now, let's do some fun marks out here. 1, 2, 3. And what are these, Kimball?
Sound mark.
Sound marks or vibration marks or movement. It creates movement, huh? It shows that our basketball is kind of moving around. All right, so should we draw the hoop?
Uh-huh.
What do you think? Okay, so starting at the side of the head, we're gonna draw kind of an oval. So here we go. To the bottom, to the other side of the head. And that's gonna be our basket hoop. Starting again, we're gonna follow that same, get fatter down at the bottom, and get thinner at the top. Okay, good job. And that's gonna be our hoop, and we'll draw the net now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a black marker, and I'm gonna stick with the fine tip so it's easier to draw. And let's do an eye. Okay, let's do a circle. Kind of a half circle, right?
Uh-huh.
Good, we'll do another one over here. Half circle up. Good job. And inside, another half circle. And over here, another half circle. And we're gonna leave a big white mark. Why is that? Why do we leave the white mark?
So it can show expression.
Yeah, it brings that eye to life. And then you can draw the color of that eye, any color you want. And see this mark in here, this area? We're gonna color this area black. That's gonna be the inside of the mouth. So let's quickly do that so you can tell what this is. That's kind of the inside of the cheeks, right?
Uh-huh.
He's saying, grrr. All right. Now, I'm gonna use my black marker and draw the net of the hoop kind of going off the page. So I'll start right here, kind of curve it down and touch. Good. Same thing over here. Start over here, curve it down to touch. Okay. Now on this side, we're gonna kind of do these triangle shapes. Follow me, okay? Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, go down, go up, and down to the other side. What do you think?
Good.
Good. Let's actually bring that guy down to the bottom of the page and bring this guy to cross like an X. Yes, good job, Kimball. And over here, we'll draw that guy coming over there and this guy coming over there. So it looks like the hoop, the net. All right, so we're gonna press fast forward real quick. We're gonna color this basketball orange, and then we'll come back with our black marker on top and draw the lines of the basketball. Okay, fast forward for a minute. All right, I'm gonna get a lighter orange. You can keep going. And then I'm gonna color the lips and the eyebrows a lighter orange. Okay? All right, get a gray. Let's do a gray for teeth marking. We're gonna do a gray for our teeth, so it's subtle. Okay, do the line. Kimball's gonna show us how to do the line. Go for it. Okay. we're gonna do the black line, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna do a big thick one. So the basketball lines, I'm gonna start down here. Go down. Okay. And the straight down, right?
Uh-huh.
Good. Now should we draw this big one going up top?
Uh-huh.
How's that?
Good.
You want to do that one? Okay. Now I'm going to outline my basketball. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Here we go.